So if you've ever worked with MetaHumans and Marvelous Designer, there's this issue you get most times, and it's like your cloth that you've simulated in Marvelous Designer is clipping with your character or your MetaHuman. So this is like a quick fix. So I discovered, I did some research, and I realized it was because if you get into your MetaHuman blueprint, there's a button here that says that, like in the animation section, you have disable post processing. You have to like turn it on because by default it's unchecked. So this is what you have, and I'm going to bring this down here so you can actually see what's going on. So I have my character here with my garment simulation, where, or if I scrub through my timeline with this disabled, let me compile. So you're going to see some clipping, and this is what I'm talking about. So in some of the frames, like here, you can see my character clipping through my garment. So a quick fix for this is go to your, what's it called, character blueprint or MetaHuman blueprint. You can come to here where you have the figures and just search for post processing, and you just need to check it, make sure it's checked. And if you check now, you can see that we no longer have this penetration anymore. So if you check it, it disappears, and if you uncheck it, you have it. This is the default that MetaHumans come in. So all you need to do is just check this, and then the problem is solved. So sometimes it might not even be from disabling this. You can also check your frame rates to see if they match with what you have in Marvelous Designer. But with Marvelous Designer, I already have I have 30 FPS. I don't know if you can see it, but I have 30 FPS, and it's the same thing I have in Unreal Engine. So if you're having the same issues, you can let me know in the comment section, and also let me know if this quick fix worked for you.